Oh. Oh, sorry, it's the other way.
Hi guys, welcome back to CantoHousewife. I got two little helper here. We're gonna do unboxing videos of all the stuff my parents bought me from Hong Kong. And let's see what we have.
My mom got me a whole luggage of stuff. I literally feel like I just came back from Hong Kong and did all the shopping. Okay. One luggage and a half. I'm super excited. Are you excited, babe? Yeah. Watson's.
She got me one of these, like three actually. Watson
Super Soft Facial Towel.
Yay! Chocolate, two different flavors of the coffee.
And then she got me different coffee from Japan. This is a good one. This is like a premium one.
Ooh. This is the evaporated milk but individual flavor, individual package.
And of course, my mom got me the one-time use pack evaporated milk, which is my favorite because if I get the whole can, usually I can't finish it, and I'll say 2/3 of it will go to waste. So this is individually packaged, and there's like 24 of them total.
Had my son some 三字經. What's that 4-letter characters?
Okay, and then she got us some of the card for Chinese learning. You open it. So each card have oh, it has the word, the picture, and the explanation of what it is. Really cool. Actually, I think I will learn a lot too. But this one is, they come with 三字經, 弟子規, 百家姓, which is the last name, and 千字文. I have no idea what this is, so I'm going to learn with the kids.
This is... I have no idea what this is. I'll ask my mom to it. These are separate chips, maybe? Question mark, question mark.
This is actually a set of clips that look like French fries, and they come with a magnet that I can stick to the fridge, which is, I found pretty cute.
Oh, sorry, it's the other way. Calligraphy set. You work on my penmanship, okay, guys? Very exciting. To the
Yep, this is for Chinese calligraphy. I actually want to work on my calligraphy because my father-in-law keeps saying that he wants like a copy of one of the poems written in Chinese. But my penmanship sucks, so my mom got me this so I can practice and get him one. So I think this one is like marine, and then you put a little water on and then blend it, and it will have that black ink coming out. And this is for water. I like to draw. Different size pen. And this is the wooden stick, kind of heavy. You put it on the side of both paper and it will like basically keep it flat. And this is for the pen holder, like that.
This is. I think it's a mat for writing calligraphy.
This is a giant writing mat. Oh, I think I'm supposed to like put the paper on top of this one and write my calligraphy.
My favorite chip since childhood. Dun sweeping.
This is Jack and Jill, the best chip from Hong Kong. I always have my mom, like I begged her to get me one. And you can buy it here. So if you ever swing by Hong Kong, make sure you get one.
I think this. Oh, this is the paper. My mom got me calligraphy paper. Also, soft for the kids with the end ties to the bottom.
My grandma got us socks, which is amazing because I actually needed socks. They got bigger, and this one are the one with the glue dots on the bottom. And they're so soft. And some of them have like characters. Amazing. I'm happy. These are for the kids.
I've been chatting macaroni.
I think you probably have Nissan in America, but Hong Kong have this one, and this is my favorite flavor. There is the tonkatsu, the seafood flavor, and my favorite black garlic oil tonkatsu. We'll totally do another video to show you and do a comparison.
My favorite candy. My childhood. Hold on, ready. Have you had it before? Best candy in the world.
Oh, fruit tips.
They sell it here?
Yeah.
Huh? You serious?
Yeah, I've had it here.
They have it here?
Yeah.
Serious? And Rubina? Oh, gotta find it now. I didn't know we have it.
We have Tong Tong, which is the Rubina. They actually have like gummy. They have peach flavor, which is my favorite. And I think hopefully my mom got me the regular. There's the mixed berry. Gotta try. And fruit tips. Grew up with this. Super nice gummy. I don't think they sell it in the US. If you guys found any, let me know. But I got, I think, hopefully 3 months of supply. I'll try to consume myself.
Oh my god. The tea added gift set. I think this one come with the actual. This one actually come with the actual set of the pot. I'll open it for you guys later.
I feel like by far this is like one of my favorite gift. Is a little milk tea pot set. So basically there is a DIY Sima Lai Chais, that Hong Kong milk tea. They have the whole set with the measuring spoon, the clam. Let me open this. Keep saying that I want to make my husband like traditional Hong Kong style milk tea. Just to share the love and excitement. Happy memory. So it comes with like a measuring spoon with the clam. The tea bag, which I've been looking for actually, right? Have a little, a little cute little measuring cup for the milk, and of course the teapot itself. I need to read the instruction on this though. Very nice.
writing mat for the kids. And oh, it's AI pointing reader.
So first thing my parents got me is this AI point reader. Basically, it have Cantonese, English, and 普通话 is Mandarin. So there apparently have 29 different topics, over 800 words, and 3,000 kind of conversation. So let's see. They're in the background like, I want it, I want it, I want it. Right, baby? That's cool. It have a mini screwdriver, 2 AAA battery, the book itself, and of course the pen. So I guess I just have to should be tight enough. All right, so yes.
嗨，小朋友，歡迎嚟到 Pony ABC 嘅學習樂園。
So I assume if I open a book randomly like this.
西蘭花，西蘭花。蔬菜蔬菜好味道，餐餐都要食菜，營養高。
Okay.
So English. Broccoli. 普通話。西蘭花。粵語。西蘭花。
I think Richard should read this.
How does it know?
Because there's mini dots.
Does it?
It also have a bunch of this cards.
Lychee.
Oh,
Sensor?
Kiwi fruit. Lemon. Orange. Plum.
oh, it have numbers.
B. Ball.
How the hell do you know?
And it have, I guess we can put this on the wall supposedly. It's waterproof.
Elephant.
Over here, the 2 boxes of the evaporated milk for me to make milk tea and Union. I'll show you guys later. My sister actually got Richard and I making me light, the puzzle.
My sister got me a little Minnie Mouse puzzle light. We do have to build this, so I will show you guys the final product on a different video, or follow me on the IG story.
And some cup for the kids, the bowl. Oh, we'll open it.
This is like a 3-in-1 cup bowl thing. So apparently can be a snack cup that you can do like crackers. And then over here there's like a strainer type of thing that you can insert here, and it become like a straw cup for soup. Pretty cool. Like that, and then become a bowl for soup. and then you can use it by itself or put the cover on. If I figure out how to do it. Become like a snack cup that they can grab nuts and stuff. Pretty nice. I like it. This one I need to figure out how to put it down though. I think this is, oh, is it like that? Like you can put this on so they can't pull the bowl from the table. Very neat.
And a bunch of face masks. Oh, this is my favorite. It's a B5 gel mask. Oh, my mom got me a Lancome makeup set. And some Olay stuff. And this one I think is...
Oh.
Oops, sorry guys. It's like that guy that did the iPhone, but it's still pretty good. Blooper. Alright, that's that.
Parents got me some Olay. I don't know if they only carry this line in Hong Kong, like in Asia. I'm gonna try it.
My mom got Riley and Roland a kid's camera.
My mom got Riley and Roland a baby camera. So basically it have a strap and a USB. And I think once I charge it, I'll be able to show you the screen. But basically you just take this around and they take pictures and we can upload it and print out the picture that they take. Come with a cute little strap, a micro SD card, and a USB up like a reader. Pretty neat. Charge it up later. Got these for me to learn. 第幾塊. And of course, after eating all the junk food, we need something for 金和茶, which is basically like a herbal tea.
And that's everything my family brought from Hong Kong, from delicious snacks to beautiful souvenirs and practicals goodies. I feel so spoiled and I'm so grateful for all the amazing gifts. Each item really bring a little piece of Hong Kong to me and I cannot wait to enjoy them all with my family. Let me know in the comment which item caught your eyes the most, or if there's anything from Hong Kong you love that I should try next time. A huge thank you to my parents for always thinking of me and bringing me such good treasures. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun content like this. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next week.